How are you? I hope that you will be fine. I am Aditya Vikram Rai from LPM Public School, and this school situated in Golam Bazar. On last day, we were learning in chapter addition and subtraction of bigger numbers. We have learned adding two-digit numbers, and in this topic we have learned adding with regrouping and added without regrouping and adding with regrouping. And after that we have learned adding three-digit numbers. Today we will solve this exercise, that is exercise 6.3, and also learn subtracting bigger numbers topic. Okay, so let's start. You also start with me. So come on, exercise 6.3, that is given, and first question is 142 plus 206. In first step, you know that in first step we have to add ones places. Okay, so there will be 2 and 6 are ones, because in 142 2 is 1 and in 206 6 is 1. So 2 plus 6, that will be 8. And in second step we have to add the tens, that is 4 and 0. So 4 and 0, there will be 4. And after that we have to add the 100 places, that is 1 and 2. So 1 plus 2, that will be 3, and the answer will be 348. Okay, question number second, 234 plus 432. We can see here that in first step we have to add ones digit, that are 4 and 2. So 4 plus 2, that will be 6. And after that we have to add tens places, that are 3 and 3. So 3 plus 3 equal 6. And after that we have to add 100 places, that are 2 and 4. So 2 plus 4 equal also 6. So that's answer is 666. Question number third, in 670 plus 129. In 670, 0 is on 1's place, 7 is on 10's place, 6 is on 100 place, and in 129, 9 is on 1's place, 2 is on 10's place, and 1 is on 100 place. In first step we have to add 1's places, that are 0 and 9. So we have to add 0 and 9, there will be 9. And after that in second step we have to add 10's places, that are 7 and 2. So 7 plus 2 equal 9 here. And in next step third, we have to add 100 places, that are 6 and 1. So there will be 7, and the answer will be 799. And the next is question number 4, 584 plus 250. In 584, 4 is on 1's place, 8 is on 10's place, 5 is on 100 place. And in 215, 5 is on 1's place, 1 is on 10's place, and 2 is on 100 place. So in first step we have to add the ones, that are 4 and 5, there will be 9. And after that in second step we have to add the tens, that are 8 and 1. So that are 8 ones, 8 tens plus 1 ten equal 9 tens. So there will be 9. And after that there are hundreds. So 500 plus 200, that is 300. So 500 plus 2 is 700. There will be 799. Okay, question number 5, 416 plus 573. In 416, 6 is on 1's place, 1 is on 10's place, 4 is on 100 place. And in 573, 3 is on 1's place, 7 is on 10's place, and 5 is on 100 place. In first step we have to add the ones, that are 6 and 3. So 6 ones and 3 ones equal 9 ones. So there will be 9, 6 plus 3 equal 9. And 1 10, and after that in second step we have to add the tens, that are 1 and 7. So 1 10 plus 7 tens equal 8 tens. So 1 plus 7 equal 8, there will be 8. And after that we have to add the 100 place, that are 4 and 5. So 4 and 5, there will be 9. 400 plus 500 equal 900, there will be 989. Question number 6, 108 plus 291. In 108, 8 is on 1's place, 0 is on 10's place, and 1 is on 100 place. and in 291 1 is on ones place, 9 is on tens place, and 2 is on hundred place. So there will be 8 plus 1. We have to add the ones first. So 8 plus 1 equal 9. 8 ones plus 1 1 equal 9 ones. And after that we have to add tens places, that are 0 and 9. So there will be 9. 0 tens plus 9 tens equal 9 tens. And after that we have to add 100 places, that are 1 and 2. So 1 hundreds and 2 hundreds, that is 300. 1 plus 2 equal 3. Next is question number 7. 543 and 141. In 543, 3 is on ones place, 4 is on tens place, 5 is on hundred place. And in 141, 1 is on ones place, 4 is on tens place, and 1 is on hundred place. So we have to add the first ones places, that are 3 and 1. So 3 ones and 1 1 equal 4 ones. So 3 plus 1 equal 4. After that we have to add the tens, that are 4 and 4. There will be 8. That means 4 tens plus 4 tens equal 8 tens. And after that we have to add 100 places, that are 5 and 1. 5 plus 1 equals 6, and that means 500 plus 100 equals 600. Question number 8 and question answer of 7, 684. Question number 8, 768 and 130. In 768, 8 is on ones place, 6 is on tens place, and 7 is on hundred place. So and in 130, 0 is on ones place, 3 is on tens place, and 1 is on hundred place. So we have to add the first ones. So 8 plus 0, there will be 8, and 8 ones plus 0 ones equal 8 ones. And after that we have to add the tens, that are 6 and 3. And we know that 6 tens plus 3 tens equal 9 tens. 6 plus 3 equal 9. And after that we have to add the hundreds, that are 7 and 1. So 7 plus 1 equal 8, and 7 hundreds plus 100 equal 8 hundreds. Question number 9. 348, 541 and 10. We know that we have to add first ones places, that are 8, 1 and 0. 8 plus 1 equal 9, and 0 equal 9. Okay? Why? Because 8 ones plus 1 ones equal 9 ones, plus 0 1 equal 9 ones. So there will be 9. 8 plus 1 plus 0 equal 9. And after that we have to add tens places, that are 4, 4 and 1. There will be 9, because 4 tens plus 4 tens equal 8 tens, and plus 1 ten equal 9 tens. And after that there is on 100 place, there is 3 and 5. So 3 and 5 equal 8, and hence we can say 300s plus 500s equal 800s. So answer is 899. Question number 10. 670, 308 and 11. On first we have to add ones places, that are 0, 8 and 1. 0 plus 8 equal 8, and plus 1 equal 9. And we can say that 0 ones plus 8 ones plus 1 1 equal 9 ones. And after that on tens place, there is 0, 7, 0 and 1. And we know that when we add 7 and 0, there will be 7. And after that when we add 1 in 7, there will be 8. So 7 tens plus 0 tens plus 1 ten equal 8 tens. And after that on 100 place, there are 6 and 3. So 6 plus 3 equal 9, and we can say that 600 plus 300 equal 900. Question number 11. 105, 342, 52. We have to add the first 5 to 2, that are 5 plus 2, 7, and 7 plus 2, 9. And we also say that 5 ones plus 2 ones plus 2 ones equal 9 ones. And on tens place, there are 0, 4 and 5. When we add 0 and 4, there will be 4. And when we add 4 in 5, there will be 9. So 0 tens plus 4 tens plus 5 tens equal 9 tens. And after that on 100 place, there are 1 and 3. And 1 3 equal 4, and we can say that 100 plus 300s equal 400s. The answer is 499. Question number 12. 600, 158, 31. Firstly we have to add ones places, that are 0, 8 and 1. When we add 0 in 8, there will be 8, and when we add 1 in 8, there will be 9. So 0 ones plus 8 ones plus 1 1 equal 9 ones. And after that, on tens place there are 0, 5 and 3, and 0 plus 5 equal 5, and plus 3 equal 8. There will be 8, and hence 0 tens plus 5 tens plus 3 tens equal 8 tens. And on 100 place there are 6 and 1, and 6 and 1 equal 7. 600 plus 100 equals 700. There is a question of value for me. Rima's class planted 64 trees in the school garden, and Sony class planted 36 trees. How many trees were planted in all? You have to find how many trees were planted in all. And Rima's class planted 64 plant, and Sony's class planted 36 trees. That you have to find how many trees were planted in all. So we have to add, because we have to find total, we have to find all. So Rima's class plant is 64 and Sony's class trees is 36. When we add 64 and 36, 4 plus 6 equal 10, there will be 1 carry, and 6 plus 3 equal 9, and 1 10, there will be 100. Okay, there will be 100 answer. Subtracting bigger numbers, find 726 and minus 314. Let's understand subtracting bigger numbers. We have to subtract bigger numbers. 726 minus 314. We have to write 726 and 314. In step first, we have to subtract the ones, that are 6 and 4, and we have to subtract 4 from 6. There will be 2, and hence we can say that 6 ones minus 4 ones equal 2 ones. And in step second, you have to subtract the tens, that are 2 and 1. So we have to subtract 1 from 2. There will be 1. So 2 tens minus 1 ten equal 1 ten. And in step third, we have to subtract the hundreds. So there are 7 and 3. Add on 7 minus 3 equal 4, and 7 hundreds minus 3 hundreds equal 4 hundreds. So 726 minus 314 equal 412. Fill in the blank. Subtract one number from the other. There are 2 questions are given. 486 and 53. We have to arrange first 486, and after that we have to write 53, and we have to write 53. In 53, 3 is on ones place, so we have to write in ones column, and 5 is on tens place, so we have to write on tens column. So 6 minus 3 equal 3, and step first we have to subtract the ones. So 6 minus 3, that means 6 ones minus 3 ones equal 3 ones. And after that we have to subtract the tens, that are 8 and 5. 8 minus 5 equal 3, and 8 tens minus 5 tens equal 3 tens. And after that 4 is remaining on 100 place, and there is nothing on behind it, so we have to write it down 4. So the answer is 433. Next is 398 and 7. Firstly we have to write 398 and 7, and hence we have to subtract the ones first, that is 8 and 7. So 8 ones and minus 7 ones equal 1 1. So 8 minus 7 equal 1. And on both and 9 and 3 we have to write down, because there is nothing to subtract. So 9 we have to write down on tens place, and we have to write down 3 on 100 place. So 391 is the answer. Fill in the empty box. You can see here that is a box, that is a question. There is given box plus 500 equal 900. What we have to add in 500 that make it 900. यानी कि हम 900 में कितना ऐड कर दें कि 500 में कितना ऐड कर दें कि यह 900 हो जाए. ठीक है, तो अगर हम 500 में 400 को ऐड कर दें तो ये हमारा 900 हो जाएगा. इसके लिए हम क्या कर सकते हैं, हम 900 में से 500 को सब्ट्रैक्ट भी कर सकते हैं और फाइंड कर सकते हैं कि 400 होगा. ठीक है, उसके बाद है 400 माइनस बॉक्स इक्वल 300, यानी कि 400 में से हम कितना सब्ट्रैक्ट कर दें कि हमें 300 मिले. तो इसके लिए भी हम 400 में से 300 को अगर सब्ट्रैक्ट कर दें तो हम फाइंड कर सकते हैं कि यहाँ पे 100 होगा, क्योंकि 400 में से अगर हम 100 को सब्ट्रैक्ट कर दें तो 300 होगा. एंड नेक्स्ट वन इज़ 500 माइनस बॉक्स इक्वल 300, यानी कि 500 में से हम कितना सब्ट्रैक्ट करते हैं कि 300 होगा। तो इसके लिए भी हम 500 में से 300 को अगर सब्ट्रैक्ट करते हैं तो हम फाइंड कर सकते हैं कि यहाँ पे 200 होगा। उसके बाद नेक्स्ट है 100 + 200 इक्वल 300। सो दैट्स वॉज योर today's work, and you have to write exercise 6.3 in your CW copy and understand subtracting bigger numbers. Thank you.